Let's go to page 384 and start with number 1. Okay, so you have negative 4 comma 8 and you have 7 negative 9. Okay, and you want to find the slope. Okay, so this is 0.1, this is 0.2, so that means this is x1, y1. So this is the x and the y for the 0.1, and this is x2, y2. So write down your slope. So slope equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So you're going to use this equation over and over. So m equal to negative 9 minus 8. You can use parentheses when you substitute over x2 minus x1. Okay, so m will equal to negative 17 over 11. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Okay, let's go to number 3. You got negative 1, negative 1. You got 5, negative 3. Okay, so you can reach your x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so this is 0.1, 0.2. When you label, it helps you to put in the correct place. Okay, so it'd be y2 minus y1. Again, whatever you substitute, put in parentheses, it helps you to cut down on the careless mistakes, over x2 minus x1. So slope will equal to negative 2 over 6. So m equal to negative 1 over 3. Okay. Okay, number 5. You have negative 5, negative 3. You got 4, negative 3. Okay, so slope equal to, again, let your x1, y1, x2, y2. So it'd be negative 3 minus negative 3 over 4 minus negative 5. So m will equal to 0 over 9. So m equal to 0. Okay. Okay, number 7. Okay, you have negative 7, 5, and 8, negative 3. So slope equal to the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so you can make sure you put in parentheses whatever you substitute, so that way you don't put in the wrong place. And you, again, it helps if you label your x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. Okay, so you're going to get negative 8 over 15. And that's it. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 9. Negative 6, comma, negative 15. And you got 4, comma, negative 5. Okay, so slope equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so you can use this formula. This is a super important formula. So you must know this. Okay, super important formula. That's the slope formula that you must know. Okay, so you're going to get 10 over 10, so slope equal to 1. Okay. Okay, number 11. You got negative 2, comma 5. And you got negative 2, comma 8. So slope equal to, okay, you're going to get 8 minus 5, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so m equal to 3 over 0. Now you cannot have anything over 0, so in this case it's undefined. Okay. Number 13. You have negative 4, comma 3. You got negative 1, 1. So slope equal to y2. So again, x1, y1, x2, y2. So it'd be y2 minus y1, okay, over x2 minus x1. So slope equal to negative 2 over 3, and that's it. You cannot simplify. Okay, number 15, you have negative 3, comma 2, 6, comma 4. Okay, so slope equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So slope equal to 2 over 9. Okay, and that's number 15. Yeah. Okay, 17. Okay, you have negative 10, comma 2. You got negative 4, comma negative 8. Okay, so slope equal to negative 8 minus, so y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So you can put in whatever you substitute, put in parentheses to help you to keep track of the negative signs. So this will be negative 10. By same sign you add, so give you 10 and take the sign of the big number. This one, it becomes positive 6, and you simplify, give you negative 5 over 3. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 19. You have y equal to 2 over 3x plus 4. And you want to identify the slope and the y-intercept. So slope equal to 2 over 3, and the intercept is b equal to 4. So that's your slope, that's your intercept, and that's it. Okay? Super simple. Okay, 21, you have y equal to negative 1 over 2x minus 2 over 3. So again, the slope equal to negative 1 over 2, that's the slope, and the intercept is negative 2 over 3. Okay? So 23. So y equal to negative x. So the slope equal to negative 1. Okay? So that's your slope, and b equal to 0 because there's nothing over here. I'm going to write this better to kind of run out of space. Okay, negative 1. There we go. Okay, 25. You got y equal to 0. So in this case, the slope equal to 0 and the b equal to 0. Okay? Think of this as like a y equal to 0x plus 0. Okay? Think of this way. It help you to get that. Okay, 27. You got 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Okay? Now to find the slope and intercept, you just go and put it in the slope intercept form, means you're solving for y. So minus 3x on both sides. So you got 4y equal to negative 3x plus 12. Then divide everything by 4. So y equal to negative 3 over 4x plus 3. So slope equal to negative 3 over 4 and intercept equal to 3. Okay. Okay, 29. You have 2x minus 3y equal to 6. Okay, so let's go and move the x to the other side. So minus 2x on both sides. So you got negative 3y equal to negative 2x plus 6. And then you have to divide everything by negative 3. So that will cancel. So y equal to, now negative over negative is positive. So it will be just 2 over 3x. And this will become minus 2. So your slope equal to 2 over 3. And intercept equal to negative 2. Okay? Okay, so now let's go to number 31. You want to graph. It says use the slope intercept method. Well, you can use whatever method is easiest. Okay, so let's go to number 31. So you got y equal to 3 over 4x minus 2. Okay, so now when we graph this, Okay, so over here, the intercept, so m equal to 3 over 4. Intercept equal to negative 2. Okay, so that means when x equal to 0, y equal to negative 2, that means that's your starting point. See the intercept? This is the y-intercept. Y-intercept is where you cross over the y. So when it's negative 2, it's going to be right over here, right? Negative 1, negative 2. Now the slope is 3 over 4. Positive, this is a positive y, so you go up. So you have to go up 3, 1, 2, 3. You have to go over 4. So you go up 3, go over 4. Okay, so, and you can repeat a pattern to give you more points to make your graph more accurate. So you can just go up 3, go over 4. Okay, and then that's your graph. Okay. Okay, 33. Yeah, y equal to negative 1 over 2. You can put a negative on top. Okay, you can put on top or the bottom. Okay, plus 5. Okay, so 33. So again, remember what I said about when you have slope-intercept form, it's super easy. You don't have to do any extra work. You just look and you can graph. Okay. Okay, so your intercept is 5. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Again, when x equal to 0, y equal to 5, right? X equal to 0, y equal to 5. And the slope, okay? So it's negative 1 over 2. So negative 1 means go down, and you go over 2. So from here, you go down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2. And you can repeat the pattern as many times as you want, okay? So that way, the more points you get, the more accurate your graph would be. So you want to get lots of points so that you can make your graph more accurate. Okay? And that's a graph for number 33. So again, you don't have to do anything, just look and you can graph. Good. Okay, 35. You got y equal to 3x minus 6. Okay. Okay, so your intercept is negative 6. So start from here, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So intercept is going to be your starting point. Okay, that's your negative 6. So now the slope, okay, you can make into 3 over 1, right? So that means you have to go up 3. This is for go up and let's go over, right? So go up 3 over 1, go up 3 over 1, go up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1. See that? Okay, and just graph. Okay, and that's it for number 35. Okay, number 37, you got y equal to negative x plus 2. Okay. Okay, number 37. Okay, so your intercept is positive 2, so your intercept is going to be right over here. That's positive 2. And your slope is negative 1. See over here, so it is negative 1 over 1. Okay, that's what this is. Means you go down 1, right? This is for going down because negative, and the positive is going this way, right? Okay, it's because this is positive and this is negative, and this is positive, negative. So what's your direction? So you go down 1 over 1, go down 1 over 1, right? Repeat the pattern as many times as you want. Okay, go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. Okay? Again, the more points you get, then it's more accurate your graph will be. Because if you just have 1 point, because if you're off like this, then see the line will be way off, right? So if you just got 2 points, even you're kind of off like that, see, you're going to get off by a lot down here. See that? Okay? So that's why you want to get lots of points to make sure you have lots of points, and then you can have a more accurate graph. Okay, 39, you got 3x plus 2y equal to 12. Okay, now this one we're not going to use the slope-intercept form because it's already in a standard form. So let's not waste time try to make it into standard form. Okay, just go and use the technique we learned from the previous lesson. So that x equal to 0, then y will equal to 6. Okay, and that y equal to 0, then x will be equal to 4. Okay, so you can don't waste time try to make into standard form and try to use a slope-intercept method. Okay, you don't have to do that. Okay, so that's just graph. So you got 0, 6. So 0, 6, 2, 4, 6 right over here. Or you can count it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you got 4. Wait, no, back up. 0, 6. So you got watch your x and the y. No, that's not the point. Okay, like 0, 6. So this is your x and the y. So it'll be 0, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right over here. Then you're going to get 4, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 0 right over here. Yeah. So graphing, one of the most common mistakes for students is to mix the x and the y. Okay. So watch out for your x and the y. Okay, and that would be the graph for 39. Okay, let's go to 41. Okay, you got 3x minus 5y equal to negative 15. Okay, so again, don't waste time trying to convert into slope-intercept form. Just go and use the intercept technique. Okay, so the x equal to 0, so this is gone. So y will equal to 3, right? Negative 5 times 3 give you negative 15. Okay, then after that, you let y equal to 0, so this is gone. So this would be negative 5. 3 times negative 5 gives you negative 15. Okay, so those are the 2 points that we can use. Okay, so first point is 0, 3, so 0, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next point is negative 5, 0, so negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 5. So watch out for the negative direction. Okay, so okay, and so this is the graph for number 41. Okay.